Alrighty, hello, my name is Josh. This is my 15112 term project showcase. This part of the video is just a brief overview of the functions in the game, as well as key pieces of code to look out for, and a brief explanation on the meta functionality of the game. So starting out in the main menu screen here, we see that Kimchee here starts facing us, but as soon as we make a key input, he turns around to face the buttons. There is 4 options: start game, continue, settings, and exit. Looking at the settings screen, we have a debug mode, which we can toggle on and off with G. We can adjust our current moves per second once made by holding down the key using the arrow keys here. The default value is 6, but you can set this to whatever value you like. Also, the window size of the application adjusts with the window size of the game. So once you adjust the window size of the application, the game will automatically try to find the best sizing to which it can maintain its aspect ratio. This also means that we can take the app full screen, which I think is amazing. Looking at the map, we have 21 levels. First 9 are tutorial. The rest all try to introduce one new concept of the game. In the pause menu here, as we can see, for map as well as for every other level in the game, there's also the same level options that we can find on the menu, plus a help I need a hint option, which when we press enter on, we'll be able to render a hint below that is unique to every single level. Alrighty, now moving on to key pieces of code, I would recommend for the judges to look at firstly the objects.py file, which is responsible for loading all of the objects and maintaining the dictionary data format and stack data format of the game. The movement.py file, which is responsible for moving objects and contains all of the recursive check and execution functions for movement. The rules function, which compiles rules and basically checks for every is and or not statement on screen to see whether words around those statements make valid rules, compile them, and execute them. Load images, draw screens, and draw objects together, which are the animation framework for this game, using Pillow, which draw screens and draw object, then use to draw on screen with CMU graphics. Alrighty, now finally for a brief overview of the meta functionality of the game. I would recommend stopping the video here if you want to figure this out yourself. It is possible to beat the game. Firstly, we want to make Kimchee is you in this level, level 21. We do this by making key is you, breaking Kimchee is you, and then making level is Kimchee. We will then spawn a Kimchee on the map screen, which will carry our cursor to the previously inaccessible level 22. To win the game, instead of putting win on top of Baba, we will put the word flag on top of Baba. Make Baba move, wait for Baba to push level is flag, then a flag will appear in the middle of this island here. Walk on this island and we will be able to beat the game. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my term project overview.